Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create oil paint effect in Snapseed. To create an oil paint effect in Snapseed, follow these steps. Launch Snapseed and open the photo you want to edit. Tap on the Tools button located at the bottom of the screen. In the Tools menu, scroll down and select the Glamour Glow tool. While it is designed for a soft glow effect, we can use it creatively to give the image a painted feel. Increase the glow intensity to give the image a softer, smoother texture. Reduce the saturation to minimize any overly vivid colors, keeping the oil painting vibe more natural. After you are happy with the glow, you can use the brush tool to manually paint over areas where you want more pronounced effects, like areas that need a thicker, more textured look. Go to the Details tool and decrease the structure to smooth out the finer details, making the texture more painterly and less sharp. You can also lower the sharpening for a soft, dreamy appearance. If you want to focus on making the central subject more prominent, use the Lens Blur tool to blur the background, enhancing the effect of a painted piece. Lastly, you can tweak the overall color brightness and contrast of the image to ensure it mimics the warm, vibrant tones of an oil painting. And that's everything you need to know about how to create oil paint effect in Snapseed. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.